Next, we're going to look at tibial rotation. Your tibia is your shin bone. In order for your knee to bend fully, your tibia has to rotate in and out, okay? When you bend your knee in, it rotates in. When it extends out, it actually rotates out a few degrees. So we want to maximize this motion. The key for this exercise is keep your femur or your leg bone straight ahead. Your foot stays flat on the ground, and all you're trying to do is rotate your tibia. If you put your hands you got a little bump right here, put your fingertips right beside that, you'll feel your tibia rotate underneath your finger pads. Keeping your foot completely flat on the ground, you'll rotate out for 3 seconds, rotate in for 3 seconds. Rotate out for 3 seconds, rotate in for 3 seconds. Just trying to regain control of your hamstrings and the muscles that work that tibial rotation to help unlock that knee so everyone can move pain-free. You can progress it by extending your knee out about 60 degrees and do the same thing.